Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can turn off vibration on an Android device. So you have an Android device that you use and now you want to turn off the vibration on that Android device, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to turn off vibration in an Android device in very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you have to do in order to turn off the vibration on an Android device is open your phone settings. Once you go into your phone settings, you'll land on an interface like this. Now from here what you want to do is go into your accessibility settings. Once you go into your accessibility settings, what you want to do is scroll down and look for the section labeled as interaction and controls. In the interaction and control section, you'll see an option labeled as vibration and haptic strength. Open that section. Once you open that settings, you'll see the option of vibration and haptic strengths in your Android device. Now from here, select the vibration that you want to turn off, then simply turn off the vibration settings for the specific vibration you want to disable. Once you do that, you'll successfully turn off the vibration on an Android device in very easy way for whichever vibration you wanted it to turn off for. So those are the simple steps in order to turn off vibration on an Android device in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.